Hello students, welcome back in your chemistry online class. In today's class, you will learn about composition of matter. Now, see, all matter is composed of particles, and all matter means all substance. They are considered as matter and that has a fixed composition. Fixed composition means that are made up of only one type of atom or only one type of molecule. So, matter can be pure or impure based on its composition. Matter can be an element, compound, or mixture. Out of these three, element and compound, they are considered as pure substance and mixture is considered as impure substance. So, let's see first one, that is elements. A substance that cannot be broken down into chemically simpler components is an element. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, gold, silver, sodium, etc. Today there are 118 elements are known. An element consists of very small particles called atom. And an atom can be defined as the smallest unit of an element having all the characteristics of that element. As you can see in the picture, hydrogen atom, this is, and hydrogen element is composed of this hydrogen atom. And when two hydrogen atoms combine, they form molecule. And atoms of certain elements combine together to form particles called molecule. As you can see in the first picture, two hydrogen atoms, they combine to form one hydrogen molecule. Sometimes more than two atoms combine to form a single molecule. Example is here of sulfur atom. You can see this green balls. A single green ball represents a sulfur atom. And when these 8 sulfur atom combine, they form sulfur molecule. And there are some atoms which exist as a single unit, that is, for an example, here you can see in the third picture, that is helium atom, and along with helium there are neon, argon, krypton, radon, xenon. All these exist as a single atom and they do not form molecules, and these are called noble gases. Now the next is compounds. A compound is a substance which consists of two or more elements combined together chemically in a fixed proportion. For an example, water molecule. You can see water is consist of hydrogen and oxygen in a fixed ratio, that is 2:1. In the picture you can see these white balls, they represent hydrogen atom and the red one is a oxygen atom. And this complete as a whole, it's a one water molecule. And you can see one water molecule is composed of two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. That's why its ratio becomes 2:1. Each element is present in a fixed amount in a compound. The properties of a compound are different from those of its constituent elements. Now, today's homework. Write a note on composition of matter. Next question. Differentiate between elements and compounds. Next question. Discuss how a compound is formed with the help of an example. Write these answers in your chemistry notebook. Thank you.